In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add a video to your Mailchimp email using the video block. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member at Video Email. Here's an example where we have used the video block. The Mailchimp video block makes it quick and easy to add a video thumbnail to your template, including a link to your video in your email. Okay, so let's show you how to add the video block. We have created a campaign in Mailchimp and selected our template. We now drag the video block into the template where we wish our video to be featured. Next, we need to locate our YouTube video. We locate our YouTube video where we then copy the URL from the address bar. Next, we return to Mailchimp. We now paste the URL of our YouTube video into the video URL field. Mailchimp now adds the YouTube thumbnail from the video as the image within the template. Mailchimp provides the option to select alternate images from the video as your image, using the Replace option. We decide to stick with the YouTube thumbnail. Finally, we can now preview the thumbnail and position in our template on desktop and mobile. Before you go, how good would it be if the video actually played within the email? Well, the good news is this is now possible. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. Continue watching to see how you can create a video email just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in Mailchimp. We select the new email builder, though if you prefer the classic builder, that's fine too. Next, we select our template. We are using a template we have saved earlier. Having selected our template, we drag a code block into position within the template where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we name our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting it from our folders. We enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. We now choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video to our Mailchimp template. We return to our Mailchimp campaign. We delete the code in the code pane and then paste the HTML snippet into the source code pane. Our video is now in position within our template. We can preview our video email to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, sign up for your unlimited free trial of the Viewed Video Email platform by scanning the QR code or using the link shown here.